We also put rear disc brakes on, and we're getting ready to do some front disc brakes on it. So sorry I hadn't posted in a while, just lots going on. So I'll give you a tour here and show you what we. So here's the old transmission that we pulled out. You can see it's got pecan shells on the top of it. Really nice unit. We decided to go ahead and pay it forward. Somebody else needed this for a core, so we're going to go ahead and let that go for free. And probably a good idea that we swapped it out. Okay, a little bit hard to see from this angle, but I'll get some shots of it in the future. But here's that used transmission that I picked up. It's a 412 ring and pinion, and it's supposed to have a highway gear in it. Heavy duty side cover, chrome axles, really good unit. It's supposed to have about 300 miles on it. So, okay, and the last thing, we got the engine back in. I still got to sort out the wiring. I got to hook up the fuel lines. Got to put the plug wires back on and tighten some things up, but should have this thing running by tomorrow, I hope. So it's been a long time coming, but we're happy to see it almost ready to go. Okay, here's a shot of what I got going on inside. I still got a little bit of floor pan work to do, but I did get the new to me used turn signal switch installed, and I got one of those reproduction steering wheels for it. So that's going to look really good when I get it all back together. This is kind of neat. I picked up this little tin VW bus toy. Looks pretty neat. It's got a surfboard on the top and a spare tire and a suitcase. Guess kind of a neat little toy to put in the garage here and have another piece of VW memorabilia. Here's kind of a neat piece that I found in a box hidden away the other day. One of my great friends, Peter Stike, gave me this many years ago, and he picked this up at the Wolfsburg Museum and brought it back to me. So it's a Meissen crystal or ceramic coin. And on one side, see if I can get in close here, a Volkswagen Beetle. And then if you flip it over, it has a VW emblem on it and a German statement in there. And Peter told me that what it means is a wise man knows what he has. So that's pretty cool. That goes along with our Volkswagen hobby. We got some really neat stuff. So thought I'd show that to you since I found that the other day. Okay, sorry for the short video this week, but like I said, we got lots going on here at DoubleG's Garage, so I just wanted to update everybody with where we're at. And so thanks for stopping by. If you like what you saw, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and go ahead and share this with some of your friends. So until we get some more projects started here, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Okay, I wish I would have taken a picture of this before we put the wheels back on, but there you go. Got the 5 lug rear disc brakes installed on it. Getting ready to do the fronts.